Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone 7 Plus mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then undo two bottom screws by using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, you need a good suction cup or something similar to take out the screen. Here, we use a suction cup to lift the front assembly. Raise the screen to create a gap and use a plastic cup pry tool or triangular picker to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book and remove the bracket by undoing 4 screws. And then disconnect the battery plug. Next, remove the earpiece bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, to free the screen, disconnect the LCD, touch, and earpiece assembly connectors from the logic board. Next, take out the not working battery by peeling the tapes out. There are 3 adhesive tabs, one on the top and 2 more on the battery's bottom side. Gently pull out the adhesive strips using your fingers or tweezers. Please note that the adhesive tabs and placement might change if the device had previous battery replacement. Next, take out the not working battery. Next, place a new battery with adhesive. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. First, connect the board's earpiece assembly plug, and then secure the LCD and touch assembly plugs. Ensure the connections are secured, and then secure the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for verification. Next, add both brackets by adding 7 screws. Next, to clamp up the phone, click in the top section first. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. And then finalize the installation by adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.